Morning everybody, myself is Manoj Kumar. Today we shall discuss a question of a UPSC which has been asked in this year 2022-23. In 2023 optional paper economics, one question is, what are the fiscal and monetary implications of vertical IS and vertical LM curve? This is the question. You have to answer it. Marks is 20 and you have answered in 250 words. Okay. Then how to answer this question? This you can answer in two parts. First, monetary and fiscal implication. First part is monetary and fiscal implication when IS curve is vertical. Okay. And second part will be monetary and fiscal implication when LM curve is vertical. You have to answer in two parts. First, we shall see part 1. Part 1. Part 1, when IS curve is vertical. The IS curve is vertical criteria. What is the condition of IS curve, vertical IS curve? IS curve will be vertical when the investment is interest insensitive. Investment is interest insensitive. What is the meaning of this? The formula for IS curve is, that is y equal to B A bar minus I1R. Okay. This is a formula for IS curve or a schedule when R is when that is R equal to 0, that is I1R equal to 0, then formula will be 1 by 1 minus B A bar. Okay. And the shape of the IS curve will be like this. This is IS curve. Okay. And this one is the LM curve. This is the interest rate R and this is income. Here you see interest rate. Okay. Now, in first part is you have to show impact of a fiscal policy when IS curve is vertical. First is impact of fiscal policy when IS curve is vertical. You see here, you have to give the diagram like this. This is IS curve, IS naught. Here we see against R, rate of interest and income, and this is the LM curve. LM curve. Okay. Now, we have to show the impact of fiscal policy. Fiscal policy means change in public expenditure. What will be the impact on the IS curve? With what will impact in the economy with the change in the government expenditure? With the change in government expenditure or increase in government expenditure, the IS curve will shift rightward, and this will be IS1. Okay. This one is the interest rate. With the increase in government expenditure, the interest rate will also increase. R0, R1, this income will also increase. Okay. Therefore, in first case, with the impact or implication of the fiscal policy in case of vertical IS curve is interest rate will increase as well as income will also increase. Second, we have to say what will the impact of monetary policy in case of the vertical IS curve. Case 2. When the IS curve is vertical, impact of monetary policy. Impact of monetary policy. Again, this is the vertical IS curve. Initially, this is the IS curve, this is LM curve. With the increase in the money supply, the LM curve will shift, and this was the rate of interest, this is the level of income. Okay. And with the increase in the money supply, LM curve will shift rightward. LM1. Okay. What will happen? The rate of interest will decrease. This is R0, R1. Rate of interest will decrease. Okay. The rate of interest will decrease, but the level of income will not increase, and this will be, that is how much it will be? It will be like this, that is delta G 1 by 1 minus B. This will work as a multiplier. Okay. Sorry, this will be like this. This will be equivalent to delta m by C1. Delta m by C1. Okay. Now we have to see case 3. Case 3rd, when LM curve is vertical, impact of fiscal policy. LM curve is vertical, what will the impact of the fiscal policy? Again, this LM curve is vertical, LM naught, rate of interest, income, okay. And what will impact of the fiscal policy? This one is a IS naught curve, this is IS curve. With increase in government expenditure, the IS curve will shift rightward. IS1 by this is R0, R1, and this will be equivalent to delta G through multiplier. What will be its impact? The impact will be, that is, the rate of interest will increase only and income will not increase. Income will not increase at all. Okay? And now the fourth case is, case 4. Again, impact of monetary policy when the case of impact of monetary policy. Impact of monetary policy. Again, like this, and your LM curve. This is the LM curve. This is the IS curve. Why not? M1, this is M1. What will be its impact? And this will increase by delta m by C1. With excess supply of the money, the rate of interest will decrease. The rate of interest will decrease. This will become R1 and income will increase. Okay. Broadly, I have explained you how you have to answer the question. Accordingly, you have to mention all the 4 points, then this will be the complete answer of this question. Okay.